Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. My name is Richard. So on my back you can see this is the 300 tons plus minus 100 tons heavy duty gantry cranes. And then we are going to install this gantry crane today. So on my back you can see we're setting up the 100 tons workshop. So after we have the gantry crane installed, then we can close up the roof. Because right now you can see there's still an opening on the roof, because the reason is you can see this area today we have a heavy duty hoist that is installed here, and then to lift this gantry crane up to the top track. And so this is a double beam gantry crane. So this is one of the beam. This is the right beam, and then we also have a left beam. That these two together will form the 300 tons gantry crane. So yeah, thank you guys. I will introduce the other part of our brand new workshop. Thank you guys.